Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First question, collagen is very rich in option A glycerin, option B serine, option C aspartic acid, option D glutamic acid. Right answer is option A, glycerin acid. All amino acids are optically active except option A glycerin, option B serine, option C threonine, option D tryptophan. Right answer is option A. Out of 200 different amino acids found in nature, the number of amino acids present in protein. Right answer is option A, 20. Out of 200 amino acids from in the nature, the number of amino acids present in protein is 20. Next question. The major end product of protein nitrogen metabolism in man is option A glycerin, option B uric acid, option C urea, and option D NH3. Right answer is option C, urea. The amino acid not involved in urea cycle. Option A arginine, option B histidine, option C orthionine, option D citrulline. Right answer is option B, histidine. Next question. NH3 is deoxified in brain clarify is as option A urea, option B uric acid, option C creatinine, option D glutamine. Right answer is option D. Next question. In human, NH3 is detoxified in liver as option A creatinine, option B uric acid, option C urea, option D uronic acid. Right answer is option C, urea. Next question. The body protein after 18 years, option A remain unchanged, option B is decomposed only slightly at interval of 1 month, option C in a constant state of flux, option D is used only for energy requirement. Right answer is option C. Albuminoids are similar to option A albumin, option B globulin, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Right answer is option C. Albuminoids are similar to albumin and globulin. Next question. Abnormal chain of amino acid in sickle cell anemia is option A alpha chain, option B beta chain, option C gamma chain, option D delta chain. Right answer is option B, beta chain. Hemoglobin histidine. Right answer is option D. A hexapeptide with 5 aspartic acid would have a net charge at pH 7. Option A neutral, option B positive, option C negative, option D not predictable. Right answer is option C, negative. A hexapeptide with 5 aspartic acid would have a net charge at pH 7 is negative. Next question. Urea synthesis takes place in option A blood, option B liver, option C kidney, option D heart. Right answer is option B, liver. All following are ketogenic amino acids except option A leucine, option B isoleucine, option C phenylalanine, option D glycine. Right answer is option D. The amino acid containing an idol ring. Option A tryptophan, option B arginine, option C threonine, option D phenylalanine. Right answer is option A. The amino acid containing an indole ring, tryptophan. NH3 is removed from brain mainly by option A creatinine formulations, option B uric acid productions, option C urea formations, option D glutamine formations. Right answer is option D, glutamine formation. NH3 is removed from the brain mainly by glutamine formation. Mechanism by which NH3 is removed from the kidney is option A urea formations, option B uric acid formations, option C creatinine formations, option D none of these. Right answer is none of these. Low density plasma protein rich in cholesterol. Transcoatins are Option A mucoprotein, option B glycoprotein, option C metalloprotein, option D lipoprotein. Right answer is option A mucoprotein. Each turn of alpha helix contains the number of amino acids. Option A 2.8, option B 3.2, option C 3.4, option D 3.6. Right answer is option D. Each turn of alpha helix contains the number of amino acids is 3.6. The distance traveled per turn of alpha helix in nm is option A 0.34, option B 0.44, option C 0.54, option D 0.64. The distance traveled per turn of alpha helix is nm is option C 0.54. Alpha helix is disrupted like option A proline, option B arginine, option C histidine, option D lysine. Right answer is option A proline. Next question. Alpha helix is stabilized by option A hydrogen bond, option B disulfide bond, option C salt bond, option D non-polar bond. Right answer is option A hydrogen bond. The milk protein in the stomach of the infant is digested by option A pepsin, option B trypsin, option C syntopsin, option C D rennin. Right answer is option D rennin. Urea biosynthesis occurs mainly in the liver involving the number of amino acids. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Right answer is option D 6. The normal daily output of urea through urine in gram. Option A 10 to 20, option B 15 to 25, option C 20 to 30, option D 25 to 35. Right answer is option C 20 to 30. Plasma protein act as option A buffer, option B immunoglobulin, option C reserve protein, option D all of these. Right answer is option D all of these. Plasma protein act as a buffer, immunoglobulin and reserve protein. Protein present in hemoglobin has the structure known as option A primary, option B secondary, option C tertiary, option D quaternary. Right answer is option D. Abnormal chain of amino acid in sickle cell anemia is option A alpha chain, option B beta chain, option C delta chain, option D gamma chain. Right answer is option B beta chain. Alpha abnormal chain of amino acid in sickle cell anemia is beta chain. Number of chain in globulin part of normal HB. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Right answer is option D 4. Last question. The pH of albumin is option A 3.6, option B 4.7, option C 5.0, option D 6.1. Right answer is option B. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.